flowchart is a graphical visual representation of program, process, and algorithm. It shows the step-by-step introduction using standard symbols connected by arrows, so you can see it clearly. Oval is a terminal symbol to determine where to start and where to end. Parallelogram represents input and output informations. Rectangle represents process in the flowchart. Diamond represents decision when it's yes or no. Flow lines is a connector that shows relation between the representative shapes.